questions from Cosine Rule.
Hello and welcome to another session of trigonometry. In this session we are going to cover cosine rule, and we already covered sine rule and the other trigonometric ratios and Pythagoras theorem in the other video. Please check my videos, and if you have not shared and subscribed my video, please do share and subscribe, and let me know if there is any question, if you have any topic which is difficult for you in the comment section. So let's start. What is cosine rule, how we can use cosine rule in order to identify, and how we can do the implementation, identify the sides and the angles. So cosine rule basically it states that if there are the three sides and one angle relation, then we can use the cosine rule. If you'll see, this is a triangle which is non-right angle triangle, and if we have to identify either angle or the side, we can use cosine rule. So cosine rule, if you'll see here, ABC, angle A opposite side is A, angle B opposite side is B, and angle C opposite side is C. So A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. If I have to write for suppose B, so in this scenario we can write it B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC and cos B. If I have to write it C, then I can write it A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So if you'll see in each case, right, it is coming, like the relation is coming between the three sides and one angle. So whenever if you'll see, like in a question, if three sides are given and one angle is given, or they are asking us to identify one angle and three sides are given, we can go ahead and use cosine rule. Or if one angle and two sides are given and they are asking about the third side, then also we can use cosine rule. So let's start and solve few questions. You'll get the better understanding. If you'll see in this question, three sides are given, which is 20 meter, 25 meter and 40 meter, and they're asking about this. So consider like this is what angle A, right? So this is going to be A, this is going to be A, this is going to be, you can take any side, like this is B, like consider this is C. So again, if I have to write here, A square is nothing but A square plus B square. A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, and cos A, if I have to identify, we can write it B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Okay, so we can use this formula. In this case, cos theta, because angle A is, in this case is theta. If I say B is what? 25. So I'm going to write here 25 square plus 20 square minus 40 square upon 2 into B into C. So that means 25 into 20. Okay, so let's solve this one. So 25 square and 20 square is going to be 1025 minus 1600 upon, if I will solve, multiply this, 25 into 2 is 50, 50 into 20 is 1000. So it is going to be minus 575 upon 1000, and cos theta is equals to minus 0.575. Now cos theta is negative. That means cos theta is negative. Cos theta, all the trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sine and sine theta and cosec theta are positive. Okay, in the second quadrant. That means cos will be negative, right? So if cos is negative, that means it is what, greater than 90 degree. It is in the second quadrant. And if from the figure also we can say it, oh, it is a obtuse angle, right? So we have to identify. So theta is equals to cos inverse of 0.575, which is going to be 125, sorry, minus is there, 125.1. Okay, so that's why it is 90, greater than 90. Or if you'll directly like take the positive one, theta is equals to cos inverse of 0.575. If we'll identify the value of this one, it is going to be 54.9. Now this is going to be in second quadrant, right? So second quadrant theta will be 180 minus 59.54, my bad, 54.9, which is going to 125.5. So like this way we can identify. We have to check. So if you have any doubt related to in which quadrant the sine will be positive or cos will be, check my trigonometry video which I already published. In case of any doubt you have, you can add your comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. Okay, so let's move to the other question and we'll see. So this is one question where if you'll see, there are the two trees standing on one side of a bank of the river. On the opposite side a boy is standing, which is x. Now use this information to find the distance between these two. Distance between these two trees. Okay. So if you'll see these two trees, suppose this is what x, or you can write anything. Relation between three sides and one angle, again we can go ahead and use cosine rule. So in this scenario again I am write a square b square plus c square minus 2bc cos theta. So theta is going to be 110. So x square is equals to, I am going to write here 40 square, b is like, consider this is 40, this is 50, so 50 square minus 2 into 40 into 50 into cos 110. 110 greater than 90, so cos 110 is going to be minus 0.34. Okay, so x square is equals to 1600 plus 2500 minus and minus is going to be plus. If I solve this one, I will get 1360. X square is equals to, or x is equals to root under 5460. I took the square on the other side, it will become square root. So it's going to be approximately, if we use calculator, 73.89 meter, or 74, we can 73.9 meter. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. So in this case also, if you'll see what we did, we checked, okay, what is the relation here, three sides and one angle. That means we can go ahead and use cosine rule. We implemented the cosine rule and we identify in the second quadrant cos will be negative. That's why the cos 110 is minus 0.34. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do share and subscribe and add your comment in the comment section. Thank you.